This is a video for the SQL statements for Enhancement 2. As you can see here, I have logged into my PHP admin, or PHP MyAdmin, and I am under the Acme database where I can run some queries. So if I grab the first one here, you can see I am going to insert into the clients table Tony Stark, and if we run that, you can see that it did correctly, one row inserted. So if we go to the clients table and browse, we can see that there's a new record for Tony Stark, the client ID of 1, and here is all the information on that table. The second query was, go back to the Acme database and go to SQL, was to update that row and change the client level to number 3 instead of the default by number 1. We know that Tony Stark is the client ID of 1, and so if we run, it will show that it affected one row. And now if we go back to the clients table, we can see that he was changed to client level 3. The next one is to update the inventory table, and we're going to update nylon rope to climbing rope. And so you can see here that I have created a SQL statement that changes the inventory name column from nylon to climbing, and the inventory description where it finds nylon rope to climbing rope. And I just do where the ID number is 15 because that is the row we're looking at specifically. So if I run that, it'll say one row affected. So if we go and browse that data to column 15, we can see it successfully changed from climbing rope, or from nylon rope to climbing rope. The next one is to join a couple tables and get the information from those tables together. We're going to be finding the name, the inventory name, and the category name where the category is miscellaneous. And you can see as we run that, we get 7 back from both those tables. Lastly, the last statement is to delete a row from the inventory table that contains the name of Koizignag CCX car from the database. And if you go to the table, you can find that its ID is number 7, so I just used that ID instead of the name, and I'm just going to delete that from the table. And if I go, and it'll prompt me yes, and then if we go back, you can see it goes from 6 to 8, where that car was originally in the table. And that is it.